Welcome! This tutorial is going to go over how to search in this historical Missouri newspapers database. So when we click on that link, it's going to take us to the Missouri Digital Newspaper Project homepage. This is hosted by the State Historical Society of Missouri. All of the digitized titles listed below here are hosted either by the State Historical Society website or on the Library of Congress Chronicling America website. If you're looking at a newspaper hosted by the State Historical Society, there's a pretty straightforward keyword search process, so I'm not going to go over how to search in those on this tutorial. Instead, we're going to be looking at a newspaper hosted by the Library of Congress, in this case, the St. Louis Republic. So you can see when I click on that title, it takes me to a page about that magazine on the Library of Congress Chronicling America website. This is a nice little hub because it gives us some information about what's contained in the magazine, as well as all of our citation information and some related publications. In order to search on this website, we're going to have to backtrack a little bit. I'm clicking here on Advanced Search and typing in the name of our state, in this case Missouri, and the name of our magazine, in this case the St. Louis Republic. From here, you can then specify a date range. I'm just going to leave this all-inclusive. I'm also searching for both a first and a last name, so I'm going to type that name into this box, which is going to give me results where the words are close to each other in each of these pages. If you're looking for just a family name, I would recommend typing your family name into this all words box, along with a word like obituary or wedding, which might turn up some death announcements or wedding announcements, things that might help you with your genealogical journey. So with this all filled out, I'm going to click search. You can see our results come up here with all of our phrases highlighted on these images. I'm going to go ahead and click on this first one from August 28th, 1902. If we click to zoom in, we get a nice little story about Miss Dora Gabriel, who lives at 1941 Congress Street, and a list of a lot of her friends. So this is some cool information because now we have an address to go off of, as well as some related people to look at. That's going to conclude this tutorial. Know that if you're searching in a process like this, just don't give up. Try again. You're going to have to probably enter in a lot of different terms to find stuff that's relevant, but it is definitely worth it because you'll find some really cool gems in here. Thanks for watching and good luck on your genealogical search.